know Merrill Lynch, they'll do it for you. You just call them and they do it for you.
Because typically,
And they probably set up a thing where they just roll it for you too.
yeah.
Like you just say, hey, I want the 1 month T-bill, and just like automatically
So
roll
how
it.
does that work? Like, let's say you want to buy $10,000 worth of T-bills.
Yeah.
Like you buy the 10,000, does it just holds at that value of when you purchased it? Do interest rates play a role in it whatsoever? Does it go up? Does it go down? Like, does it? How does that?
Yeah. So the only way interest rates play a role is if you sell prior to maturity.
Okay.
So let's say you have a 1 month T-bill.
Yep.
Just to keep it easy, let's just say it's $1,000.
Yeah.
So what you would do is you would buy that for like $900 and let's say $95.
Yep.
And so they don't pay you like an interest rate over the next 4 weeks.
Yeah.
It's just you buy it for like $9.95, and then when they pay you in a month, they give you $1,000.
Gotcha.
Wow.
So that's the
If you were to liquidate.
that's the well no just it's maturing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So they're going to pay you in full if you don't sell it in the interim,
okay.
right? So so there's nothing that
It's a way to basically freeze your money so that if anything happens, you don't lose it.